Hello guys, today's vlog is to teach you how to charge using a charger that has a capacity of 48 volts in series connection to charge 4 pieces battery, 12 volts per battery with a total of 48 volts. To start with, the terminal of the first battery is positive. The positive is connected to the negative of the second battery. The positive of the second battery is connected to the third battery negative. The positive of the third battery is connected to the fourth battery negative, and so the positive terminal is connected to the line positive of the charger, and then the negative is connected to the negative line of the charger. So this battery is almost full. Charger is working, it's blinking. So please comment, like and share, subscribe.